Do you want to start making some extra money online? Well, now is the time to start your own online business using the help of AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. And this is the class where you're not only going to learn the ideas for what you can do with these tools, but you'll learn exactly how to use them as well. I'm Phil Ebener, and my partner for this class is Diego Davila. Both of us have been running our own successful online businesses for the past 10 plus years. And with the advent of AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, we are so excited to be able to expand our online businesses faster and better than ever before. And we're excited to teach you exactly how to do it yourself. Whether you already have an online business and you're trying to create more products, create more services, or if you're starting from scratch. And this class is not just a list of ideas that we tell you about and then expect you to go do successfully yourself. For each idea, we show you the exact ways to use the AI tools to start and grow that online business or that product, whatever it is. And at the end of the class, we have a case study proving it all. And in fact, this is a book right here. This book I created in less than 24 hours using ChatGPT. It's out there on Amazon today, making money. And you can see it's not just an ebook, it's an actual hardback book. And this is something that's repeatable, something that you can start doing right now. Usually in these promo videos, I would try to sell you on the idea of why this course is the best course for you. But what I think you should really do is start watching the free preview of this class, which you can do by clicking through to the next video below. In that welcome video, I talk about the types of businesses you can start using AI, how much money you can expect to make using AI, and we go through some examples of how you can start using ChatGPT to start creating content, specifically writing a kid's book in about 2 minutes. So all of that's in the free preview if you continue watching this class. Also, our courses have a money back guarantee, so you can sign up right now, test it out, start watching it. If it's not for you, if you don't like it, get your money back. But I bet that if you enroll today, if you start watching the content and actually put into practice what we're teaching, you're going to be blown away with how easy it is to start making money with the help of AI tools. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the welcome video coming up next.